How to fix stolen device protection not showing on your iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, don't worry, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to go and tap on the option called Settings. Now scroll down on your phone and tap on the option called Face ID and Passcode. Once you tap on Face ID and Passcode, it will now ask you to enter your passcode. Now scroll down on your screen and tap on the option called Turn on Protection Mode, which is right under Stolen Device Protection. Once you tap on this option, it will automatically turn on the protection mode, which will add another layer of security when iPhone is away from familiar locations such as home and work. Similarly, all you have to do now is go back to your settings, scroll upward to your screen, and tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, it will now show you options where you have to tap on Find My option. Make sure that Find My iPhone option is turned on your phone. If you do this, it will enable your iPhone and other supported accessories to be shown on your map. In this way, you can easily find your iPhone and fix the stolen device protection not showing on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.